Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me. Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossa Nova on all night. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come slide right in. plug me straight back in. Now there's no one to text when the plane lands, or to call when it's taking off. Right, left, baby steps. I'll be my own first safe hands. It's not the end, it's the making of. Right, left, for now I'm taking but baby steps. Gonna love itself. I'm taking but baby steps. But baby steps. But baby steps. But baby steps. God, I'm gonna miss this house, but I guess I'm moving out Sunday morning. All the things I couldn't live without, I don't need them now. God, I used to love this hair. Now there's something in the air, something calling. Overnight the clothes I always wore don't suit me anymore. She's always changing me without a word, and I was just getting used to her. Keeps rearranging me a little bit, and I was just getting used to him. That lady, she's the man. I think she got a master plan. It's something I don't understand. That lady, she's the. It always had to be like this. So if that was our last kiss, now we know that. Now we know that dream ain't coming true. There's room for something new. Give me something new. She's always changing me without a word, and I was just getting used to her. twist, the one to make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find you some space. I could be the world to you, the missing piece, the extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard, with me that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with the way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk in Central Park. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into three. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me. It's so easy. It's so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me. Thought I was done with this feeling. Really thought you could be him. Thought I was safe. You were the warmth that I needed, like a breeze in the evening. And then you changed. You're all the same, yeah. It's too much to miss. You're the hug that to it. Though I've tried to hold on, and if you knew me at all, you wouldn't try to keep me small. Who would do that to a friend, let alone the one you love? And any choice you had worth making, I'd push you to take it. No questions asked, no doubt in mind. But when they're mine, yeah, you react like I'm crossing a line. I'm too much to handle, and just dial it back a bit. Well,